The sound How is the sound pronounced?
It is pronounced air.
Can you say
Very good. The sound has two different spelling variants, E and EA. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings. G,
egg,
bread,
t,
N.
ten? The sound is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue is in the lower part of your mouth when pronouncing the sound Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound
I made 10 eggs and 10 pieces of bread for breakfast.
Quick recap time. The sound has two different spelling variants and appears in quite a few words.
It is pronounced air and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like egg, bread, 10, and head all use the sound